In need of a canopy for this 79, Jase contacts Isaac from NORWELD Cairns, as everything on this truck is going to be built with quality and strength.
All of us here at NORWELD are super excited to be involved with Jase from All for Adventure and Creative Conversions in the design and development of these products.
Everything is sort of being drawn up to suit what I think is probably one of the best touring canopies on the market by the time we're finished with it.
So the plan for this 79 build with the guys we're doing with Jase and Len, we're going to look at doing a tray with a wind-off canopy. This canopy is going to be a wind-off two-door model, twin spares, ladder, rooftop tent, upright fridge and 3 drawers inside. Plenty of room and storage for everything you need. All your tools, your recovery gear, your fishing gear and your food. So when we do a long-term tour for someone like Jase, he has high expectations. He knows what he needs and he knows what he wants. We work really hard to work with him on giving him a package that's the ultimate in ergonomics, design and functionality. Everything needs to be strong and well built and last the test of time. So the features we're including in this new build to suit the extended cruisers, we're going to have a slightly longer tray with more storage underneath, bigger boxes, larger water tank. We're going to have a canopy that's more based on a dual cab, which gives better handling and weight distribution. You still get the same amount of storage, but the weight's more forward, the handles better, rides better, a lot more capable off-road. That's not going to get in the way of the tow bar on your boat trailer or your camper trailer. To make our canopies dust and waterproof, we use a double gutter system to prevent rain coming into the canopy. We use pinch weld rubber on the doors. We use a pressurising vent to force clean air into the canopy to positively pressurise the canopy, stop any dust getting in. This allows us to make sure that the canopy's sealed, your gear's not getting wet, not getting dirty. Last thing you want when you pull up the camp is a dusty fridge, dusty clothes.
So the canopies get built in Cairns in true NORWELD style, tough as nails, and then what they do is they send it down to Brisbane and that's where we got it fitted up. So we go into Brisbane there at Northgate and we fit up this awesome canopy to the back of one tough 79. Once you've got the canopy on the back, then there's a whole truckload of wiring to be done.
Well, we specialise in this sort of stuff.
We've got a REDARC system going in. It's a new one, it's called Red Vision, and it is going to run everything. It's a very sophisticated piece of gear. It's designed for the caravan and camper trailer industry, but I've had a chat with the guys at REDARC and I said, I reckon that is going to work perfectly in a touring canopy.
So Red Vision couples up with our Manager 30, which I know Jase has been using a lot of. What it does is that it controls all the loads within your vehicle. So you can turn on lights, you can control your fridge, you can turn on a compressor, you can turn on a fan, and it takes care of all that in one simple unit. And then obviously you've got the benefit of doing that on an app, so you can turn all your lights on and off. If you're sitting in bed, you can turn a light on or you can turn a fan on.
It's an awesome bit of kit. Not only do you have a screen in the front, you've got a screen in the back, second monitor.
Yeah, monitor for Red Vision.
And you can do it all through your phone as well. You can also be sitting out by the campfire and check on, see if your pies have finished cooking yet.
There's only a handful of things left. We're very, very, very close.